Good morning, D11. I am FWM Erica Carlos, and I will be discussing one of FWD's VUL products, which is Manifest. So this VUL product that we call Manifest, ano nga ba yung nagpapa-unique sa kanya, no? Bakit naiiba siya dun sa iba nating mga VUL products? Okay? It's because of these unique features. Okay? Let's start off with insurance with investment. Okay? It comes with protection, high coverage. It protects your family, yourself, and your income. And it comes with investment para mas mabilis ma-manifest ng ating mga clients ang kanilang dreams and goals for their future. And at the same time, no, this comes with a loyalty bonus. So the longer that you keep your money, and when it comes to investment, diba, time is your best friend. So i-reward yan ni FWD with this loyalty bonus. So on the 10th year and every 5 years after, merong additional 2% na madadagdag sa investment nila or sa account value. Yan. Next feature is the additional bonuses, startup bonus, premium extension bonus, guaranteed milestone, and investment protector bonus. So, isa-isahin natin yan. First off, ayan, to start with additional investments is the startup bonus. So our clients can get up to 30% additional investment as your reward or as their reward for keeping their policy intact during the early years. So as soon as na kumuha sila ng manifest na plan, ayan, meron na agad startup bonus and magbe-base yan yung percentage sa band level. Okay? Take note. With manifest, meron tayong tinatawag na band 1, band 2, and band 3. So ito ay dedepende sa sum assured ng plan ni client. So kung ang sum assured is less than or equal to 1 million, 20% ang startup bonus. And with band 2, if the sum assured is more than 1 million and less than or equal to 2 million pesos, 25% ang startup bonus. And lastly, band 3. If the sum assured is more than 2 million pesos, ang startup bonus na makukuha ni client ay 30%. Ayan. So, syempre, maximize din natin yung NMA natin, yung sum assured na pwede nating ibigay kay client. Huwag nyo lang i-limit sa 2 million. So, mas malaki yung sum assured niya, mas malaki din yung magiging startup bonus niya. So, paano nga ba nag-work or how startup bonus works? Ayan. So, it will be used to buy units of investment. So, hindi siya directly malalagay sa main account value. I-invest muna to sa iba. And yung kikitain dito will be credited sa main account value on the 5th and 10th year. Ayan. So, mag-iiba lang yung percentage ng papasok na, or makakredit sa main account value kung manifest 5 or manifest 10. Second unique feature is the premium extension bonus. So this is an additional 2% of the basic premium, and it will be added to the account value if premiums are paid continuously beyond the pay period. So ano ibig sabihin nun? Okay, so for example, si client ay kumuha ng Manifest 5. Okay, tapos na siya magbayad ng premiums niya after 5 years kasi 5-year pay lang iyong plan na kinuha niya. Eh after that, gusto pang ituloy ni client yung kanyang base premium, no? Kasi gusto pa rin niyang madagdagan yung investment niya. So, every time na nag-extend siya ng kanyang premiums or base premiums from 6th to 10th policy year, kasi tapos na siya magbayad nung premiums niya talaga, madadagdagan ng 2% yung extension ng premiums niya. And with 10 pay, ayan, starting naman yan from 11th to 20th policy year. Ayan, so syempre, no, lalo na pag nasanay na yung clients natin na nagbabayad or nagsaset aside talaga ng amount for this plan. And at the same time, mas maximize nila yung mga bonus and yung other features ni Manifest. Next unique feature is the guaranteed milestone increase. So it's a one-time additional 20% in the sum assured with no medical requirement upon reaching a milestone. Ayan, so dito naman, sineselebrate ni FWD yung milestone na nangyayari sa buhay mo. And again, kada may milestone na nangyayari sa buhay natin, it means meron din tayong additional expense, no? So we need bigger coverage. And naisip na yan ni FWD, kaya merong guaranteed milestone increase. So it's an additional 20% kung magkano yung sum assured, and madadagdagan yung magiging coverage or yung death benefit ni client. Ano nga ba yung mga milestones na pwede, no? One is wedding. Second, new baby and adoption. Considered yan, ha? New property, university graduation of insured, policies 10th year anniversary, and retirement. Or kung ano man yung mauna dyan, no? One-time claim ito. So, ide-declare lang, for example, yung client nyo recently had a baby. So, kailangan lang i-present yung birth certificate nung milestone na yon. Next, another unique feature is the investment protector bonus. So, it's an additional 100% of the loyalty bonus. It will be added to the investment to help fight market downturns. An investment protector bonus doubles your loyalty bonus if in the last business day of the calendar year preceding the bonus payout, the PSEI price is lower than its price as of the first business day 5 years before the payout date. Okay? So itong si investment protector bonus, ang goal niya is to protect our clients or their investments against market downturns. Ayan, di ba? So para hindi maganon kalaki magiging damage sa investment ni client. Kasi again, investment, it always has risk, no? So pwede talagang mangyari na bumaba yung prices sa stock market, and naisip na ni FWD yan to protect their investment. Ayan. So after discussing all the unique features of Manifest, ayan, so ngayon, pwede na natin tong i-offer sa ating mga clients, especially if they are looking forward to reach their goals as soon as possible, di ba? And the bigger the goal, syempre, no, mas kailangan nila ng protection and tulong natin to be able to reach their goals faster. And thank you so much for listening for this session. And I hope you learned a lot. Thank you. Have a nice day.